What do you think? Oh, it's otter.
Oh my goodness.
Waylon, that's a fishy.
He likes it.
Oh, he's gonna give him a kiss.
So slippery. I can't hold it.
Oh, no, I don't want it. Go put it in the bucket. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe you just grabbed that by yourself.
Better turn around, get on right.
No, you're not eating the potato bug. You're not, no. What is it? Is it a fly? Oh. Hold on.
Oh, he likes it.
I'm gonna go first.
Whoa! Uh-oh, you okay?
We do this. Just stay still. I expect she just here. She's not gonna hurt you. There you go. There you go.
Oh, it bit her. Oh, Dad. What sound is that?
It's okay. It's okay.
Open your hand.
Look, he's cute.
Oh, no! Sure.
Oh, you found some food.
Oh, get him.
What is that?
Just get ready.
It's clearly
Get fishy.
No, Connor, don't eat the fly.
All right.
Don't squeeze it.
Is it yummy?
No, don't squeeze it. You're gonna... No, ew! Dude!
You're gonna hold the fishy?
You gonna hold it?